Open myBaadal app. Now, go to Settings, and then choose the Auto Upload option. Inside the Auto Upload section, you'll notice a list of different folders available. From here, choose the folder you want to back up. You can do this in two ways, either by tapping the cloud icon next to the folder, or by opening the three-dot menu, selecting Configure, then choosing Auto Upload, and finally, tapping Save. You can check the progress and the status of your files anytime in the Upload section.